Do you want to be a full-time content creator? Me too. Do you want to get monetized on YouTube? Me too. I learned a few things over the past month that I am actively putting into action, and I want to see if what I learned is going to work. So, if you would like to see that journey and see if it works out for me, I would wholeheartedly appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and, join me. And if you want to be a full time content creator, comment below. I will return the favor because guess what? We all need support. We all need support. So if you're interested in beauty content, true crime content, and just me being me content, subscribe. Comment below, let me know. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and how could I forget? I'm going to be touching up my silk press while I do this. This hair needs a touch up. So, like, don't get me wrong. I love my job. My regular 9 to 5. But my dream, like, in a perfect world, I would be a content creator, a full-time content creator. That's just something that I've always wanted to do. And especially in the beauty space, it's so oversaturated and it's really, really not easy to like really get in there and be seen because, and I don't like to say it's competition because it's not. I feel like everybody brings their own something, to the beauty space, whether it be your personality, just anything. Like, we're all individuals, so everybody has something to offer it. But I just feel like I'm gonna make this like a challenge for myself. Because listening to this guy, I believe his name is Deontay, I will link his video. He has inspired me so much, and I've learned so much from him. And one thing I also did learn is that when it comes to things like this, while the opportunity is there, you have to strike, because they have lowered the standards basically to get monetized. So it's a lot easier. And it's like, I've let too many years go by knowing that I really, really love all things beauty, fashion, everything. And I really, just a perfect day for me would just be like going to different places, trying different things, looking at in fancy bags, things like that, makeup and products, and one day doing sponsorships, all that. Like, that's really my dream. Like, I've been watching YouTube and just like wanting to be a part of it for years. And I started this channel years ago. But life, I was never able to fully dedicate time and, to really make it a full-time thing for myself. And I think right now, I have to look. I don't want to give you the wrong numbers, but I think right now you need 1,000 subscribers and I believe 3,000 watch hours or something. And it's like, for me, it's not necessarily about the money. I genuinely enjoy making content. I really do. And it's like, just to take something that you love doing, and I'm not worried about, the spending money on products and all that stuff, because I do that anyway. So it's just, the opportunity is there to make my dream a reality. So I am going to take his advice as a personal challenge to get monetized on YouTube. I'm going to add a screenshot of showing how many subscribers I have and where I am now, which is very low, but progress is progress. I just started being consistent fairly recently. And like I said, doing videos that are beauty based is not easy to get seen. So my views are slow. I also love makeup and true crime, and I'm definitely going to touch in that also. But I'm making it a personal challenge now to see with the consistency, I'm going to continue to make videos like this and show my journey to getting monetized. And I'm not even going to say if I get monetized. I'm going to say when I get monetized, because I'm speaking it into existence. I'm claiming it. I'm owning it. I really, really want it. And like, I'm ready for this to be my full-time job. Like, you know, not everybody is into the same things, but like, let's say your dream is sports cars, or, you know, just test driving cars. Imagine being paid to video something that you love and something that you do all the time anyway. Like, that's a dream. And I want that for me. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it in with my beauty content, because today I'm gonna be out and about. There's some specific lipsticks I want to pick up, and I'm very excited to try them. I think it's something that Kylie Jenner made popular. I think, I don't know. That's how I heard it on TikTok. I don't give a flying fuck about Kylie Jenner wearing it, but I just like the shade of the lipstick. It's something like Warm Teddy or something by MAC. Anyway, I'm going to be going to Ulta today, and I know that when I go in Ulta, listen, and I know a key to making money on YouTube is consistency. I am in these places all the time anyway. And for a while, a long while, I didn't have the time because the job I was working for a few years previous to this one was actually a nighttime position. So then I'm working nights. My husband is working days, so I'm sleeping in the day. He's sleeping in the night. So when, you know, I'm free to make content, I wasn't really free to make content, you know? Having the, you know, you want to be quiet, and I mean, there's other things. I had a beauty room, but I gave that up for my nephew when he wanted to move here from Florida. And yeah, so I didn't have my beauty space anymore. Like, if you look back in my older videos, I would always shoot in my beauty room. And during that time, when my content was most consistent at that time, it wasn't something that I was talking about to pretty much anyone, but I was on leave from work for a year because I was actually very, very sick. And if you look back on those videos, you'll also see a drastic change in my weight because of medication that I had to take for said sickness. So, well, I can't even say for that, because at that time it was unknown what was plaguing me. But fast forward, it took several years. It took, I think, almost a full 5 years to figure out what the problem was. And now I know, but it's not something that's ever going to go away. So all I can do is treat it. And in treating it, like, I would love that to be a part of my journey also. I'm taking this as a personal challenge. He said, be consistent every day and just show your journey with YouTube. He would never get views or anything. And that's where I'm struggling at right now. I'm struggling to get views and subscribers. I think right now, well, not even right now. I just feel like with anything, the more you do it, the better you get at it. And with the consistency, you know, the camera shyness goes away, because I don't know. I'm not exactly camera shy, but I can be. And I like to watch my progress as things, you know, move in the videos. Like, just seeing myself getting better, getting more comfortable. Like, I just really like it. And I really just want this to be my full-time job, because it's something that I have more control over. Like, I can't control my health. I can't control the way that's going, but at least if I can control this part of my life, that's the goal. That is the goal. I will control what I can, or what I think I can, but we all know, well, depending on what you believe in, God is in control. And I feel like he has been pushing me, and that this year is my year to step into full-time content creation. So I am taking the leap of faith, and I feel like I didn't come across, I believe his name is Deontay. I don't want to say the wrong thing. I'll correct it on the screen if I'm wrong. I'm going to take his advice because I feel like I didn't come across his content for no reason either. I've learned so much, and just, I think I've been subscribed to him for maybe a month, and I have learned so much. And he is just giving out game for free. Let me tell you, he is not like these, oh, pay me $20 and I'll tell you my life story that you don't care about, and it's not going to help you make money in any way. He's not like that. He's giving you the facts. He's giving you what he did, and he's showing you the proof of the success, and all of that for free. I'm inclined to believe it. So I'm going to do it. Content every single day. And, you know, if I have to skip days because of my health or anything, that is going to be content as well. I'm going to let people know. Like, listen, I'm going through something right now. My symptoms are worse. And as soon as they balance out, you know, I'll be back at it. But, yeah, everything's going out there, guys. Everything. So in this video, I'm mixing. Well, I had to do my hair anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna add his video, his channel. Please go subscribe to him, because if you want to get monetized, this guy is a straight shooter. And he's not just telling you, he's showing you. And I'm learning, and I'm passing on, you know, what I'm learning. He said he made content just vlogging every day, almost every day for 6 years, and he never had high views. And once he had saw someone else similar to what I'm doing now. He saw someone else who made a video about how to get monetized on YouTube, and that's where his content started to fly. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make that a challenge for myself. So I'm going to stick to the formula, and yeah, that is my goal. Also, he said to put less effort into your videos. And that threw me for a second. Like, what? Like, don't worry about perfect editing or anything like that. For the most part, he doesn't edit his videos. He does do thumbnails, but he said, you know, don't be afraid to just press record, say what you're gonna say, whatever, and then just turn it off and upload it just like that. I don't know if I could do that part yet. Not just yet, but I'm giving it my best shot, and I just hope that you guys, whoever is watching this, if you are into beauty content and you want to see if this challenge that I'm taking to get monetized works out for me, then I would love if you hit that subscribe button. It's great support. It's free support towards my dream of being a full-time content creator. Yeah. So I'm going to finish up my hair. I'm out of breath and I didn't do nothing. Crazy. I'm going to finish up my hair because I do have a video that I want to film, because I'm about to do my makeup because I got to go out. So yeah, all of that. I'm just touching up my little silk press here, which I do when I have it. I'll touch it with the iron, and it's only at 320 for the people who want to know. like every 2 weeks, just to kind of freshen it. My edges, I don't stress about that too much because I use edge control on that anyway. But if you weren't here for that information and you're here for the YouTube information, I hear you. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up my hair. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. I've touched up all of my hair as much as I'm going to. I'll probably just wrap it up like this for the day. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hopefully, and you want to see this journey I'm going on, I hope that by this point of the video, if you've made it this far, that you've gone ahead and hit the subscribe button, and let's see what happens. I don't know, should I put like a time limit on it, or should we just like monitor the progress and see how it goes? Let's just take it day by day and see how it goes. So what we're going for, we're gonna do consistency, and we're gonna put screenshots of like some of my analytics or whatever, just to show if there's any progress or anything. And let's see if getting monetized on YouTube is that simple, because from what he said, it is. He just switched up the simplest thing, and basically he just started talking about getting monetized on YouTube, and he got monetized on YouTube. So I want to see how that goes. All right, stick around. Hope you subscribe. Bye.